Want to know who I am? Here's who I am. I'm in a supermarket years ago looking for some peaches, like a craving for peaches. You know the way you wake up sometimes with like a crazy, crazy craving for peaches?
Hi guys, what's up? It's Peaches, and I'm back with another video. I still don't have an intro.
Whole bag of jelly beans.
I keep looking there. That's the viewfinder. That's the camera.
Found out I have dyslexia.
Today I have a sore throat. I just got home from school like a couple minutes ago, and I've had Gabe's package for a while, and I just really want to open it, okay? Like, I'm just dying to open it, and I finally cleared up enough storage on my phone to film.
To make a long fucking story short.
So I just really wanted to film today. And it's Halloween. I'm filming this on Halloween, so happy Halloween. Take a shot every time I say Halloween. This is definitely gonna go up. Don't say it. After. No, please, no. Halloween. Damn it, I really have to be that annoying. I am sitting on my bed, that's why the camera's kind of shaky, because like whenever I move, the camera moves. This video is gonna be me opening her package that she sent me, and I'm gonna hopefully try everything on. If you enjoy this, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to head over to Gabe's channel and subscribe to her, and follow her on Instagram at trollfunk. This intro's been super long, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. I don't want you guys to see my address. I totally forgot about that. I'm just gonna cover that up, but that is the sticker on it, and it says trollfunk, which I'm probably gonna cut the sticker off and keep it because I really like it. What is funny, I just got the rock and roll troll because I've been collecting trolls. My collection's over there in the corner, and I think I have 15 now. This is like my favorite troll I own. So this is a huge package.
Daddy, chill.
I should have read the description of what I sent her. Oh my gosh, I don't want to look. I'm so, oh my god. What am I looking for? Is there not a note? Is there a note? I don't know. Should I just open it? I'm just gonna open it. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I felt. So this is the first thing I felt. It's a barbed wire chain. You freaking read my mind. Okay, so I actually ordered a chain exactly like this, but it never came in the mail. And I'm like, what? Dude, this is such a weird moment. It's like a whole nother psychic kind of level. This is so dope, dude. I've always wanted a little barbed wire chain type thing. I don't know. I'm like, okay, I guess I'm just pulling out accessories. It's a barbed wire bracelet to go with it. Oh my god. That's so sick. I got a troll! I did throw in some extras with her because I was really scared that she wasn't gonna like the outfit, or maybe it wouldn't fit. Like this is my first bundle ever, so I was like really nervous. This is so cool. I love his pants. He must be like an ornament or something. He's so cute. I love him. Alright, let me just take out this, because I see this and I'm like, oh my gosh. What is this beautifulness? Dude. What is it? Arctic cat? That's adorable. Oh my gosh, that is so sick. And this came out with it. This looks like, oh, this is, ooh. Okay, sweatpants. Brand is, oh, this is Old Navy. These are actually kind of dope. I have nothing like the jacket or this, so that's freaking awesome. Okay. Oh. Watching this back really makes me wonder if I was okay. Oh, I see this. What is this? Oh my god. What? This is so dope. Oh my gosh. Aloha. That's the brand. Dude. Bro, that's so dope. I love this so much. The colors are gorgeous. Gabe, you did say something about your color scheme, like how most of the colors tie in together. I will wear that. I will feel like a Hawaiian dad going on a vacation. Oh my gosh, there's more, there's more. What? Area 51 who? God, what? Hi, I'm here to invade Earth and be stunning. Let me stop. These would be good to take pictures in, most definitely. Ah! Okay, I'm like kind of scared. I'm like, oh, okay. Stop. Oh my god, these are so sick. They're boxers, but it says get slimed and it's Nickelodeon. What? These are so sick. Oh my gosh, what? Look at this. It's freaking slime. Oh my god. I love this so much. Thank you, Gabe. I love you. I'm not even done. Okay. Let me shut up for a second. Ooh, yes. This is from SO. I'm guessing this is like an underneath shirt to something. Honestly, I love stripes. These are some dope colors. Oh my gosh. Today's Halloween. Should I just like dress up as Billie Eilish and be Billie Eilish for Halloween? I don't know if she washed these. Like, they smell good, so I'm not complaining. Okay, I feel it makes... Oh, it's a ring pop! I like ring pops. What's this? Oh my gosh. I love this shirt. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love it. So this is Disney Zappar or whatever brand. It says Party Animal and it has a drummer from the Muppets. What? Animal, right? I think his name's... It's been a long day. I love this so much. The neon, I'm obsessed with neon right now, especially. Oh, okay. I think that's it. But I think this is a choker. Yeah, it's rainbow. Ooh, pretty. And this is her card. And, oh wait, what's the back? Aw, it kind of looks like her cat. That's so cute. So let me go and try to put some outfits together, like mixed with my clothes and the clothes that I got from Gabe, and I'll just like do a little fashion show. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Also, if you're interested in doing a swap with me, like a clothing swap, I will link my Instagram and my email down below. So hit me up if you're interested. Only like serious people DM me about it, please. I really hope Gabe likes her clothing bundle. I am so excited to try these on. I'm so ready to make some fits with them. These got some good pieces. Also, I love the green. The green is like a reoccurring theme in this, and I don't have a lot of green clothes at all. Let me go put some outfits together for you guys.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.